In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime when it's not working, whether you're dealing with activation issues, a black screen, or a poor connection. Getting seamless communication through FaceTime is crucial for many of us, and encountering these hiccups can be quite frustrating. So let's go through these troubleshooting steps together to ensure you're back to making smooth and uninterrupted video calls. First, let's tackle FaceTime activation issues. The first thing you should do is check your Apple ID, head over to your settings, then go to apps and find FaceTime. Make sure that you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. This is essential since being signed in is what connects your device to Apple's network and subsequently allows FaceTime to function properly. Next, verify your phone number or email. Ensure that the correct phone number or email is selected for FaceTime. These are the contact points through which you reach others and through which others can reach you. If it's not set up properly, you might find yourself unable to make or receive calls. Once you've double checked those essentials, try toggling FaceTime off and on. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve activation issues. Turn FaceTime off, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. This action resets FaceTime's connection to Apple servers and can often resolve minor issues. Another important aspect that you shouldn't overlook is checking your date and time settings. Go to Settings, then General, and select Date and Time. Ensure that the Set Automatically option is turned on. Keeping your device's time in sync with the network is crucial for communication apps like FaceTime to authenticate correctly. Now, if you're experiencing a black screen during calls, a straightforward step you can try is to switch cameras. Simply tap the camera icon during your FaceTime call to toggle between the front and rear cameras. Occasionally, one camera might not initialize properly, and switching it up can give it a nudge to start working. You should also check if there are any screen time restrictions in place. Navigate to Settings, then Screen Time, followed by Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under Allowed Apps, make sure the camera is enabled. Restrictions here might inadvertently disable the camera function, inadvertently leading to a black screen during calls. Finally, if your issue lies with a poor connection, try switching between networks. Depending on your location and the signal strength, it can be advantageous to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data or vice versa. Evaluate which provides a stronger, more stable connection. In addition, disable low data mode by going to Settings, then Cellular, followed by Cellular Data Options. Ensure low data mode is off, as this setting can throttle your data connection, affecting call quality. And if you're using Wi-Fi, a simple router restart can do wonders. Power off your router, wait a brief moment, and turn it back on. This refreshes your connection and can help resolve persistent network issues that impact FaceTime performance. By following these steps, you should hopefully be able to fix any FaceTime problems you encounter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps to keep your FaceTime calls clear and reliable.